Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Hello grade 5. I'm recording this video to show you how to use Microsoft OneDrive and why do we need to use it. Microsoft OneDrive is like an online platform that helped me to save my files, keep them protected, and it will be easy to backup. So anytime, anywhere I can go backup and store my data. So I can access OneDrive from many devices. So I'm going to show you anywhere access. With OneDrive, you may be able to access to OneDrive, and you can also download OneDrive to your mobile app. You can create and you can access and you can edit your file. You can delete them, you can rename them, you can do a lot of things. Microsoft OneDrive support many kind of operating system. Apple, Android, tablet, any kind of operating system could be uploaded to OneDrive. So you have to download OneDrive if you are using mobile. Okay, so it's like provide secure place to save your files, and you have like 5 GB for free. 5 GB storage for free. If you want more than that, you can get like 1 TB, but you have to upgrade it to get that kind of storage. So you have to pay money to get like more storage space. PC folder backup, so we can like store them and go like do automatically backup and sign your desktop. It could be saved like automatically. How to set it? You can go to this to get more setting for that. Also, you can work with Microsoft Office for free. If you don't have Microsoft Office, you can go OneDrive. You can use Microsoft Word document, PowerPoint, Excel for free. You will be able edit, create, and share. I will show you now how to do this. So I wanted to open Google. In the search bar, type OneDrive, O-N-E, Drive, D-R-I-V-E. Type OneDrive in the search bar, and you have the app, and you have, of course, option to download it. I'm gonna work with online one. I have to click on it. Of course, you have to sign in Microsoft. You have to make account in Microsoft, which is Outlook. I already have account. I already have account. So if you don't have, you have to make a like account. Make sure that you sign in with your account, so you may be able to use OneDrive app. Okay, so this is OneDrive app. I can go to those 5 dots and I have OneDrive. Of course, I have like other documents. I will show you now OneDrive. After that, I will show you more options. So this is the link, onedrive.live.com. You may access to it just by using following this URL, onedrive.live.com. Now I'm online. To upload a file, of course, I show you differences between file and folder. Click on this plus sign. File could be PDF, picture, video, MP3, any kind of files. If you want to upload a folder, like a big folder, you can upload it from here. So you have to click on the plus sign, file upload. And you have to choose what do you want to upload. I want to upload for you like glossary words. I already shared with you during the session. This is grade 5. I save it. You have to make sure that way you save your file. Like I have this one. My ICT grade 5 glossary words. I want to share the glossary words with you. I click the file. It's a PDF. And then I click open. Now I upload it. I already have it. So I upload it. It's uploaded to my files. So I have to click on my files so I can check it. I click on my files. Okay, so here we go. I have many files actually. It's here. ICT grade 5 glossary words. I can click on it. I open it. Now I can browse my PDF. I can see my glossary words for grade 5. I may be able to edit it. Of course, this is share option. I can copy link and I can manage the access. How can you see my file? Are you just gonna view it, or you may be able to edit it? Okay, so I already have access from Ghufran, Noor and Umar. I can see your names. Everyone access the folder, the PDF file, sorry. I can click share and then I'm able to click copy the link. Copy. Now I copy it. I can paste it in WhatsApp or any other app that I want to share with. I have delete and I have download option. So yeah, grade 5 like this I can share. And also, yeah, grade 5, I may be able to create like a new document, Microsoft Word document or Excel, in case you don't have like Microsoft Office in your lab. You may be able to use them online. Just go new tab and write word.new, W-O-R-D dot new, N-E-W. You may be able to create a new document, a new Microsoft Word document. The same for Excel. Go new tab, Excel, E-X-E-E-L dot new, N-E-W. I may be able also to create a new Excel sheet. So like this grade 5, I'm able to create a new online document. I'm able also to create a new Excel sheet document. Excel sheet, online Excel sheet. I can share it from here. Okay, after I do it, I can share it by copy link. Okay, the same for the Microsoft Word document. After I'm able to edit it, I maybe share it or copy link to access it. So like this here, grade 5, I hope you got me, and I already shared these files with you. So you are able to make a new Microsoft Word document, new Excel sheet, or new PowerPoint. I can access it from here, or I can go a new tab and type PowerPoint. So both work. Let me try the other way. Now I create a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation sheet. Now it's loading. Now I'm able to make a PowerPoint, online PowerPoint sheet. So you are able to do this in grade 5. I hope you got me. You can start create a blank presentation or upload a file, both work. And you got like a beautiful online templates. You can get used from them. You get like a beautiful online ready template. You can use them. Thank you so much, grade 5. I hope you got me. All what you have to do is create account in Microsoft. This is my account at outlook.com, of course. Okay, to use the blog, of course, we need like a Gmail account. And I suggest for you, use Microsoft Edge browser for OneDrive and for the Microsoft account. If you want to switch on to Google Chrome, I suggest for you get ready with Gmail account using a Google Chrome browser. I hope you got me grade 5. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching.